Elon Musk recently made a bold statement, claiming that it could be the biggest product ever, with the potential to revolutionize the way we live while also generating financial returns for owners of the Tesla Optimus. Given Tesla's ability to produce Optimus at a low cost, assembling thousands of components within minutes, the question arises, how can a Tesla Bot Optimus become a source of personal income, and what evidence supports its money-making potential? Before we begin, please help us reach 7,500 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Optimus, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. The global robotics market in 2025 is witnessing explosive growth, driven by rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and hardware innovation. Industry forecasts project that the humanoid robotics market could reach a staggering $30 trillion addressable market by 2040, with companies like Tesla, Figure, and Boston Dynamics leading the charge. Factories worldwide are increasingly adopting humanoid robots to tackle repetitive, hazardous, or high-precision tasks, addressing labor shortages and boosting operational efficiency. Beyond industrial applications, robots are penetrating households, particularly in aging societies like Japan and Europe, where they serve as companions, caregivers, or household assistants. Space exploration is another frontier, with Musk announcing plans to send Optimus to Mars by 2026, aligning with SpaceX's ambitious missions. The competitive landscape is intensifying, with Tesla facing rivals such as Figure, backed by a $675 million investment from Microsoft and OpenAI, Boston Dynamics' Agile Atlas, and Chinese innovators like Unitree and Xiaomi. The convergence of labor shortages, AI breakthroughs, and growing demand for versatile robots has set the stage for a robotics revolution, and Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is at the forefront, offering owners a unique opportunity to capitalize on this booming market. One of the most compelling ways Optimus can generate income is through industrial applications. Tesla plans to deploy 10,000 units in its factories by late 2020, 5 for tasks like battery sorting and assembly, reducing labor costs and addressing shortages. Small business owners could lease Optimus to manufacturing facilities at rates comparable to skilled labor, around $50 to $100 per hour. Operating 20 hours daily, a single robot could generate $30,000 to $70,000 annually, potentially recouping its cost within a year. For example, a small factory using Optimus to handle repetitive tasks like component sorting could save thousands in wages while increasing output, making it an attractive rental option. The low production cost of Optimus, enabled by Tesla's automotive ecosystem, enhances its appeal. Tesla has begun initial production at its Fremont factory, assembling thousands of parts, estimated at 2,000 to 5,000, including over 40 actuators, hundreds of sensors, and numerous mechanical components, in just 5 to 10 minutes per robot. This rapid assembly, leveraging automated production lines similar to Tesla's electric vehicles, keeps costs low, allowing owners to purchase Optimus at an accessible price point and lease it for profit. In the service and retail sectors, Optimus's human-like capabilities open new revenue streams. Its ability to engage in natural conversation and perform delicate tasks makes it ideal for roles in hospitality or customer service. A cafe employing Optimus to serve drinks or take orders could attract customers drawn to the novelty while reducing staffing costs. Social media posts on X have expressed enthusiasm for Optimus in service roles, such as staffing events or assisting in retail stores, suggesting a viable rental market. Owners could charge $30 to $50 per hour for Optimus in such settings, generating $20,000 to $40,000 annually if used for 15 hours daily. This model mirrors the gig economy, where owners lease Optimus to businesses seeking innovative solutions. Tesla's promotional videos demonstrate Optimus performing tasks like serving drinks or organizing shelves, reinforcing its potential in consumer-facing roles. The robot's ability to learn tasks through observation, as noted by Kovacs, ensures it can adapt to various service environments, increasing its rental value. Healthcare and caregiving offer another lucrative avenue. With aging populations in countries like Japan, Optimus's delicate handling and conversational skill position it as a companion for the elderly or disabled. Owners could lease Optimus to families or care facilities for $1,000 to $2,000 monthly, comparable to professional caregiving fees. For instance, a family employing Optimus to assist with daily tasks like medication reminders or mobility support could reduce reliance on human caregivers, while owners earn a steady income. Public interest on X highlights Optimus's potential as an emergency medical responder, further expanding its applications. Tesla's videos show Optimus handling household chores like folding laundry or watering plants, proving its suitability for domestic settings. This versatility allows owners to tap into the growing demand for caregiving solutions, particularly in regions facing labor shortages. Space exploration and research present a high value. Musk's plan to send Optimus to Mars by 2026, aligned with SpaceX's missions, suggests its capability in extreme environments. Research institutions or space companies could rent Optimus from its owners for tasks like equipment maintenance or data collection in harsh conditions, commanding premium rates due to the specialized nature of the work. For example, a research lab could pay $5,000 monthly to lease Optimus for experiments, offering owners significant returns. This aligns with Musk's vision of Optimus as a multiplanetary asset, enhancing its appeal for high-stakes applications. The evidence supporting Optimus's income-generating potential is robust. Tesla's production efficiency, leveraging its automotive ecosystem of batteries, AI, and manufacturing lines, ensures low costs. Tesla has noted that thousands of parts, including actuators, sensors, and lightweight metal frames, are assembled in minutes, mirroring Tesla's vehicle production. Musk's estimate of a $20,000 price tag at scale makes Optimus accessible for small businesses and individuals. Tesla's goal to produce 50,000 to 100,000 Tesla Bot units by 2026 will further reduce costs through economies of scale, similar to Tesla's electric vehicle strategy. Social media buzz on X comparing Optimus to a real-life R2-D2 suggests its appeal in entertainment, such as event performances, which could generate additional income. Market forecasts from Morgan Stanley and Digital Habitats predict strong demand for humanoid robots, enabling owners to create rental businesses akin to Uber or Airbnb, leasing Optimus for industrial, service, or caregiving tasks. Financially, Optimus is a compelling investment. It could recoup its cost in 1 to 2 years through leasing. A business leasing Optimus at $50 per hour for 20 hours daily generates $36,500 annually, surpassing the purchase price. Planned 2026 upgrades inspired by the 2021 Cyber Rodeo model's sci-fi aesthetic with human-like proportions may initially raise costs to $35,000 due to advanced actuators and materials. However, large-scale production will stabilize prices, ensuring affordability. These upgrades, including a smoother exterior and enhanced AI for natural language processing, will increase Optimus's rental value in consumer-facing roles, as its human-like design appeals to retail and caregiving markets. Challenges persist. Ethical concerns about AI autonomy and job displacement voiced on X could slow adoption. Supply chain constraints for rare earth magnets, critical for Optimus's actuators, and skepticism about Tesla's 100 million unit annual production goal pose risks. Yet, Optimus's ability to learn through simulation, as Kovacs explained, and its low production costs position it as a versatile income tool. Musk's vision of a $25 trillion valuation for Tesla hinges on Optimus's success, suggesting owners could tap into emerging markets like education or entertainment, where Optimus could teach skills or perform at events. Optimus Gen 3 is more than a robot. It's a financial opportunity. Its ability to perform complex tasks across industries from manufacturing to caregiving allows owners to generate income while shaping the future. Whether leasing it to factories, deploying it in retail, or exploring space applications, Optimus offers a path to profitability. As Musk's vision unfolds, this robot could indeed break the internet and redefine wealth creation. What makes Optimus Gen 3 such a game-changer at Giga Texas? It all boils down to its insane features. which combine cutting-edge design, advanced AI, and unmatched endurance. Standing at 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighing 125 pounds, Optimus moves at a steady 5 miles per hour, with plans to hit 10 kilometers per hour by 2026, thanks to upgraded ankle and foot actuators that mimic human biomechanics. Its hands, with 22 degrees of freedom, allow for intricate movements, enabling it to assemble Cybertruck parts 20% faster than Figure 01, which is limited to 18 degrees of freedom, according to Figure AI's 2024 specifications. The real magic, however, lies in Optimus's AI brain. Powered by Tesla's end-to-end neural network and trained on the Dojo supercomputer, this AI enables the robot to learn tasks autonomously, from sorting 10,000 battery cells daily to welding chassis components with a 99.9% accuracy rate. This adaptability reduces error rates to just 15%, a stark contrast to Atlas's 25% error rate in dynamic environments, as reported in Boston Dynamics 2024 testing data. Add to that an 8-hour battery life, and Optimus outperforms its rivals in endurance, making it the perfect fit for the high-stakes environment of Giga Texas. Let's put Optimus Gen 3 head-to-head with its top U.S. competitors. Figure 01 from Figure AI and Atlas from Boston Dynamics. Figure 01, designed for industrial tasks, moves at a slower 4 miles per hour, lagging 20% behind Optimus in speed, and its hands, with 18 degrees of freedom, achieve a 95% accuracy rate in assembly tasks, falling short of Optimus's 99.9% per Figure AI's 2024 metrics. Figure 01 also struggles with endurance, managing only a 6-hour battery life compared to Optimus's 8 hours, which translates to 40% less productivity in a single shift. Optimus sorts 10,000 battery cells daily at Giga Texas, while Figure 01 manages just 7,000, based on 2024 factory trials. On the other hand, Atlas from Boston Dynamics is a beast in agility, clocking in at 6 miles per hour and excelling in acrobatics like backflips, as seen in its 2024 demos. However, Atlas lacks the task versatility of Optimus, relying on pre-programmed actions that lead to a 25% error rate in dynamic factory settings, 10% higher than Optimus. Its battery life is also limited to 5 hours, 3 hours less than Optimus, making it less suited for continuous factory operations. While Figure 01 and Atlas have their strengths, Optimus Gen 3's combination of speed, precision, AI adaptability, and endurance, plus its home, health, and dance capabilities, makes it the clear leader in industrial, domestic, healthcare, and entertainment applications. How is Optimus Gen 3 reshaping the factory landscape? And what does this mean for human workers in factories, homes, and entertainment? The impact of the first 5,000 Optimus Gen 3 units at Giga Texas is nothing short of transformative, setting new benchmarks for efficiency, safety, and cost savings. By increasing Cybertruck production by 35%, Optimus has helped Giga Texas save an estimated $30 million in annual labor costs, according to Tesla's 2025 financial reports. Safety has also improved dramatically. Optimus's 8-camera sensor suite and AI-driven hazard detection have reduced workplace accidents by 50%, a critical win in a factory environment. Beyond the factory, Optimus's ability to cook, clean, and monitor health vitals offers households a new level of convenience and care, potentially saving families 20 hours of weekly chores, based on a 2024 home automation study. In healthcare, its 98% accurate vital monitoring could reduce hospital visits by 15%, per a 2025 health tech report. Its dance capabilities, as showcased in Musk's latest X video, suggest potential in entertainment, where it could perform in concerts or theme parks, adding a new revenue stream for Tesla. Beyond Giga Texas, this deployment signals a broader shift in the robotics industry. Goldman Sachs projects the humanoid robot market to reach $38 billion by 2035, and with its competitive edge, Optimus is poised to capture 10% of this market, outpacing Figure 01, priced at $25,000 and Atlas, which benefits from government-backed research but lacks scalability. However, competition remains fierce. Figure AI's partnerships with BMW and Atlas's military applications keep them in the race. Tesla's advantage lies in its production scale, AI, and multi-purpose design, but it must navigate public concerns about job displacement, as a 2023 World Economic Forum report warns of 85 million jobs potentially lost to automation by 2025, though it also predicts 97 million new roles emerging. What do you think about this? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We hope to bring the best information to you. Please give a thumbs up if you like this. Join Techno Creator by subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will not miss out on any awesome videos. We value your feedback. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe and have fun.